city to get a statue of Maharaja Radhakishore. Agartala, July 13, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev has emphasized on installation of a statue of Maharaja Radhakishore Manikya at the entrance of Jayanta Prasad. The Chief Minister has passed an instruction to the Urban Development Department to take initiative for installation of the statue during a review meeting at the Secretariat on Monday. As it appeared, the state government has been working for an overall growth with a space for recognition of the contribution made by the Maharajas. Smart City Mission. Addressing the meeting, the Chief Minister has directed the Urban Development Department to work on the mission mode achieve government goal housing to all urban areas by 2020. He also asked to ensure that the benefit of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana are reaching actual beneficiaries. In the meanwhile, the works for 3 township projects consisting 1,000 flats would start very soon. The Urban Development Department has set a target to complete the tendering process and lay the foundation stone by August. Tripura Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath on July 14 informed that the Tripura Police and Civil Administration have collected fines worth rupees 1.13 crore for COVID-19 protocol violation in the state. The total fine amount has been collected from May 26 to July 12, 2020, Nath said. West Garo Hills WGH in danger as the water level of Brahmaputra River and its tributary. With heavy rain over the past weeks, many places in the area have been elevated levels of water that had threatened to increase and pose a further risk. Following a visit by the Deputy Commissioner Ram Singh to the affected areas, 7 days gratuitous relief GR has been announced by the administration. The DC further confirmed that a total of at least 16,400 households with a population of 89,000 have been affected by the current deluge. The situation is bad and 3 C and RD blocks, Tirki Kila, Demdama and Silsila have been affected. The numbers are likely to go up further as water rises continue. The situation is being monitored, said the DC. In a joint operation, the Assam Rifle along with Assam Police arrested an active cadre of ULFA from Tinsukia district in Assam on Sunday. The insurgent has been identified as an SS colonel of ULFA. According to the police, he was suspected to be the assistant secretary of the group. The operation was launched after specific information was received regarding his presence in the area. However, he has been handed over to Tinsukia police and further investigation is on. More than 18,000 people in Mizoram has been fined on charge of violating COVID-19 protocol and orders since May. According to Mizoram police, more than 18,000 people were reported to have violated the lockdown order since May 4. Total sum of rupees 36.76 lakh has been received from the violators on various grounds. Aizawl district reports the highest number of violators with 8.749 arrests, while Sarchip, Lungle, Longklai registered around 1,000 arrests, and Kolasip, Mamit, Saitwal, Saiha, Champhai, Khozol, Natlai registered arrests ranging from 400 to 800 in the district.